Wait till you see how I layer up ground beef, beans, potatoes, and some soup in the crock pot. Wait till you see what we make today. It's called Cowboy Casserole. Go grab your chair, go grab your spoon. Let's make it. All right, team, cool. Thank you so much for joining me. Yep, we're gonna have a family day today, and so I don't wanna mess in the kitchen. I just wanna go play when they're playing, so let's get this Cowboy Casserole going. Now, you don't need your notes. There's no reason to have pen and paper. Just sit back, relax, and hang out with me as we put this together real quick. Everything you need in the description below. I always put everything down there in the recipe so that you don't have to worry about paying such close attention. I just want you to hang out with me. So I'll tell you what we're doing as we're going. In here I have 2 pounds hamburger. I have 1 tablespoon of chili powder. I have 1/2 tablespoon of cumin and 1 onion that has been diced, and all of that has cooked up and browned together. And now we're just gonna layer together our casserole. Here we go. Here's my crock pot. We're gonna start with 1/2 of this ground beef. How is everyone? Are we enjoying the weather yet? Is it getting warm where you are? It's getting warm where we are. All right, so we've got 1/2 of the hamburger mixture on the bottom here. And then we're gonna take, oops, I'm going the wrong way. Let me go this way. We need fire roasted diced tomatoes. I have 2 cans of those. And they are not rinsed, they are not drained. We're just dumping that right on top. Put these in here. Then 1 can of the ranch style beans. You're gonna need 2 cans total. And 1 can of the kidney beans. Again, you're gonna need 2 cans total. So just layer these on. And these kidney beans, I did drain and rinse, but these ranch style beans, I only drained. Don't worry, it's all down below. We're just gonna layer this out. Next, potatoes. 4 potatoes that I've sliced, pretty thin. Pretty thin, but you could make them thicker. I'm just gonna drain the water off of these now. I had them sitting in water. And we're gonna layer these right on top. So easy. And this is something, you know, you set it and you forget it, literally. And everybody, you know, comes in and says, what's for dinner? And you've already got it going. You have got it under control. Wonder why they call it Cowboy Casserole. I don't know. Guess maybe Cookie made it when everybody was out rustling up the cattle, moving the cattle along. This is so dang easy, and I just love it. I love the flavors. I love just being able to throw it together in the morning. Like I said, we're expecting the kids later today, and boom. All right, on top of these potatoes, I want to put 2 cans cream of mushroom soup. Let me grab that spoon that I forgot. So I'll put 1 can on 1/2, 1 can on the other half. Baby Crane is getting bigger. And Mom and Dad, whoops, sorry about that. Mom and Dad are getting more easy going with it. Like they're coming all the way up to the fence now and hanging out. So that's pretty cool. I think we're at a spot now where we might feel comfortable naming it. You know, because Mom and Daddy are named Sonny and Cher. Now, doesn't matter what we name it because it doesn't get to stay. Mom and Dad will chase it off before they have their next baby. But it's always fun to give them names. One time when they did have twins, we named them T and Rex. So we've had a couple of little guys here. We had one that was really, he was hell on wheels. He was so naughty. And I don't remember what we named him, but he was a mess. Okay, ta-da, cream of mushroom soup on top. Next, the rest of this hamburger. Easy peasy. Want to feed a crowd and feed them for a while? I've got you. I've got you. And then we're back to the beans. So beans on top. That was the kidney beans. This is the ranch style beans. Again, I'll give you a look at it. Can find these definitely in the Texas area. This is where this recipe started from. But I'm here in Central Florida. Publix has them. So should be relatively easy to find. If you can't, just find a chili bean. I think a couple of different companies make one that's a chili bean. All right, this is it. This is going in the crock pot. Low for 4 hours. I'm sorry. High for 4 hours, low for 6 hours, depending on your time. Whatever your time frame is. We're gonna top it with cheddar cheese. About 30 minutes before you're gonna serve, just so that it's lovely. But this is it. This is it, guys. All right, let's get this on the crock pot and I'll see you when it's ready. We are about 2 hours into cooking. I know we're not supposed to lift the lid, but it smells so good. Look at that. The soup is starting to bubble up. Oh, I better put the lid back down. All right, we're about 2 hours in. Delicious. It's starting to smell good in the house. All right, so I've just come in from the pool and this has been going for, let me check the clock real quick, almost 5 hours. So we're almost there. And I am going to add some cheese to the top. So I'm gonna pull this off so you can see how bubbly and wonderful this looks. And then we're just gonna add in some cheese on the top to get it nice and melty. It's said to shredded cheese, but listen, I have this. And this works just as well. And the kids will finish their swim time in the next 30 minutes, and then we will be ready to serve this up. So there we go. We'll wait for cheese to melt. I see 2 hungry pups in the background. And we'll get this going. Well, we are getting ready to dig into this. And so I just wanted to give you one last look. It smells delicious. I cannot wait. I will plate it up and take a few photos for you and then meet you out at the table. Delicious. Can't wait. I don't know if you guys can see this. The tomato, the layers all the way through. Let me see if I can grab the camera around. All right. Can you see these layers? Look at that. Look at that. That is delicious. Look at those potatoes. Brilliant. Brilliant. Man. Does that look good or what? Wowzers. What a fantastic day and what a fantastic meal to share after a fantastic day, with family. I cannot wait to dig into this. All the layers, I can't believe when I scooped it out, all the layers came with it. This is amazing. Cowboy Casserole going in. Thank you so much for being with me today. I appreciate every single minute you spend. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for being a part of this lovely family and community that we're building. 390 friends so far. I'd like to get to 500 by my birthday, which is July 5th. So march into the 500 by the 5th. We can get there. It's only 30 days away. We can do it. So tell a friend, join the pack, and we'll see you next time. Stay tuned for a Zen moment. Bye, my friends. Have a good one. This is going in. Yum.